Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas. These haircuts are perfect if you want to look stylish but don't want to spend too much time on your hair every day. If you are busy, working woman or just love simple beauty, this video is for you. Let's start. First, let's understand what low maintenance hair really means. It means a haircut that looks good even without daily styling. No heavy blow drying, no straightener every morning, and no stress. Just wash, dry, and go. Now let's talk about some easy and beautiful haircut ideas. The bob haircut is one of the best low maintenance styles. It is short, clean, and very classy. When you choose a chin length bob or a shoulder length bob, it works well for straight, wavy, and even slightly curly hair. You don't need much styling. Just comb your hair and you are ready to go. Long layered haircuts are perfect if you love long hair. Layers add shape and movement to your hair. They stop your hair from looking flat or heavy. With layers, your hair falls naturally. You can let it air dry and still look nice. Shoulder length hair is very easy to manage. It is not too long and not too short. This length looks good on almost all face shapes. You can tie it, clip it, or leave it open. Even with minimal care, it looks fresh and neat. Soft layers are gentle and natural looking. They blend well and do not need sharp styling. This haircut is great for fine or thin hair. It gives volume without effort. You don't need daily salon styling finishing. If you love very short hair, the pixie cut is a great choice. It is bold, modern, and super easy to maintain. You just need a little trimming after some weeks. No long drying time and no heavy products. Perfect for a confident and simple lifestyle. Lob means long bob is a slightly longer than a bob and very trendy. This haircut grows out nicely, so you don't need extra time. It looks good straight or wavy. Just natural texture is enough. If you have curly hair, don't fight your curls. Choose a haircut that supports your natural curl pattern. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.